everybody, this is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter, and I'm very excited to be unboxing my first 5G smartphone. This is the Huawei Mate 20X 5G, co-engineered with Leica camera technology, triple camera on the back. So going inside the box, here's the Mate 20X 5G. This has the Huawei 5G chip inside. We're going to go ahead and boot it up. It's got a screen cover on it. We're going to leave that on there for now. And then on the back, we'll show you the cool cameras and the finger reader, along with the 5G symbol there. We're going to flip it back over. This is done booting up. It's running Android version 9, and it's running EMUI 9.1.1. And some really cool details about this in just a moment. But further, we're going to go into the box and see what else is available. This has the full Google Play Store right here. As you can see, we can go into My Apps, and I've updated all these apps already. These are all the Google Play apps, so it's got all the Google apps on here. So inside the box, of course, you have the phone, then you have the SIM eject tool, and you have a case and some documentation. It's nice that Huawei gives you a case to use, and it gives you a European charger, but you can use this converter with this. You just take this large plastic piece out, and then you're able to plug it in directly on the top like that. This is the HUAWEI SuperCharge, and what's great about the HUAWEI SuperCharge is it's over 18 watts, so it charges very quickly. And here is the USB Type-A to USB Type-C charging cable that they include. And they also include wired headphones. So that's nice. So some details about this Mate 20X 5G. It comes with Huawei's Balong 5000. It's their first 7 nanometer multi-mode 5G chipset, Kirin 980 processor. And the Balong 5000 gives you both non-standalone and standalone 5G. So while some 5G phones out there right now only offer standalone or non-standalone, this does both, and actually does 4 different types of 5G, but those are the 2 major standards. This does millimeter wave as well, 5G, and it's got the Huawei App Store app gallery as well. But you have access to the full Play Store here and all the Google apps as well. It has an amazing 7.2-inch OLED screen. That's a huge screen. It's much bigger than even the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So that's nice. You get a 4,200 milliamp battery. And like I said, this is a SuperCharge charger, and this is 40 watts. So charge up your phone very quickly. It has 40 megapixel main regular RGB camera. It has an 8 megapixel camera for telephoto lens, and it has a 20 megapixel camera for ultra wide angle lens on the back. And this also works with the Mate pen. So if you have a Huawei M pen, you can use that on this phone. It has 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity. It has 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage space, along with upgradability to Android 10. This is Chris Roshnaut, 24K on Twitter. We've just unboxed the Huawei Mate 20X 5G. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Thank you.